Hello, my freaks. Let's see what Jaime's got for us. Okay. It's like all black, but kind of fun with the ruffles and the hat and the crazy necklace. I think this is going to be a good one. Well, I think Jaime did a pretty good job here. I feel pretty cute. Jaime even had the foresight to pair this top with a dress under it instead of just a skirt. Because I think I shrunk this top, so this is better. Probably the only thing I might change is the boots because a bootie with a knee length skirt just kind of cuts your leg off. So let me try a different boot and maybe like some fishnets underneath just to keep the color uniform. Well, actually, I feel like these boots make the whole look kind of too heavy. So even though the booties are not ideal, I think I'm going to give it to Jaime. I think Jaime is the winner. Yeah, I gotta switch back to the booties. I actually don't think I even like the fishnets. I think Jaime just did a perfectly good job, even if the shoes aren't ideal. Where would I wear this? I would wear this. Well, I wouldn't wear the. Hold on, this is bugging me. I gotta put my original shoe back on. Alright, I'm back in Jaime's original outfit now. I think I would wear this to the funeral of someone I love or someone I hate. Either way, I think it works. Would you wear this? Where would you wear this? Do you agree with me that Jaime is the winner of this look? Thanks for watching.